Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we change our phone time in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to change your time in your Realme phone. So friends, you can change, and guys now let's see how to change time in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to change your time? So then open your phone setting and guys scroll it. As you can see your system settings, and tap here, and as you can see date and time, friends tap here, and guys click on your time settings. So friends, you can change your phone time. Guys, you can see is hour list and minute list. So as example guys, this time is guys 1 o'clock, and guys you can see 00. Tap here, then guys now you can see. So when we will click on guys this 1 o'clock, and guys come back. So as you can see, phone time has changed 1 o'clock. So like that guys, you can change your phone time in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone time in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will into next video. Bye friends. Thanks for watching.